Here's an update on the CBEX trading platform, and we are going to be diving into the video, right? So there is nothing much, but the important update is actually the withdrawal system that is currently like going on and what is said. So today is actually June 28th at the time of making this particular video, and the withdrawal system is actually going to be starting by June 25th, right? So it depends on the time I'm watching this particular video. Pay attention into the date, right? So I'm going to get the information very clear. So the platform actually said that the registration is actually going to be stopping on the 25th. That's the last day of the deadline. Then you can start withdrawing this particular amount of money, right? So as we all say, I'm going to just make a recap for you be able to withdraw this particular amount, right, of your capital right here. You need to deposit an amount of 100 USDT to reactivate your account, and that is where the issue actually lies in that, oh, should we actually deposit that? Should I deposit or not? Right? So this is where people actually getting to get the confused right here. So I'm going to leave a space for you to go at the comment section what you think about this. I've made a video actually about that, even though I said nobody to actually deposit the amount, but I've been seeing messages that, okay, a lot of people are trying to try their luck. People that have about 10k dollars, that have about 20k, they are actually looking that, okay, the 100k is actually less. Let me just try it and put it there and let's see what is going to happen. So people that have the money, they can do it. Okay, it's not a crime, but if you don't have the particular capacity to actually go ahead to do that, please do not join them in doing that right now. So let's go into the Twitter handle or Telegram handle and see what they have on Telegram, right? So currently on Telegram, you can't really message unless you boost the account. So for you to be able to message, you have to click on this particular stuff like boost the account and boost off. They're going to be sending, I think, start or kind of stuff to boost the account right here. You can see from this particular update they shared, they were talking about the deadline for the withdrawal is actually 5 days now, and this is everything I've actually recap in the particular video for you. So do well to invest wisely, because this is not a financial advice and this is just like an information and entertainment purpose only. So by on the 25th, whatever happened by then, I'll make an additional video for you to actually see if people actually got to see their money or not. Then we can continue and know what next step to think. But